How many times more dangerous is barbecue meat than fried meat? The answer will shock you. Before we start, I have two questions. Question 1. How many times did you fire up the grill this summer? Question 2. How many times did you fry meat in a pan? Most people think frying is the worst way to cook meat. But the data might surprise you. Comment below your cooking habits. I will pin the most honest one. Let's start with what you know. Both barbecue and frying use high heat. Both can create a crispy, browned crust. Both taste delicious. But here is the question no one asks. How many times more dangerous is barbecue meat than fried meat? To answer that, we need to look at what happens to meat when you cook it at high temperatures. First, let's talk about the chemicals formed. When meat is cooked above 300 degrees Fahrenheit, two families of carcinogens form, HCAs and PAHs. HCAs form when amino acids and creatine react. PAHs form when fat drips onto flames, producing smoke that sticks to the food. Both HCAs and PAHs have been shown to damage DNA and may contribute to the development of cancer. Long-term exposure has been linked to increased risk of colorectal, pancreatic, and prostate cancer. The National Cancer Institute confirms they are mutagenic. Now here is where it gets interesting. Both grilling and frying produce these chemicals, but the disease burden is not equal. A study published in PubMed analyzed 3 red meat cooking practices: barbecuing, frying, and roasting. The results were clear. Consumption of barbecued red meat is associated with the highest disease burden, followed by fried red meat and then roasted red meat. But why is barbecue worse? When you grill, the temperature is higher and less controllable than when frying in a pan. Research has shown that blackened and charred meat contains 3.5 times more HCAs than medium-rare meat. Frying produces fewer PAHs because there are no flames and no smoke carrying carcinogens back onto the food. But frying is not innocent. Pan-fried meats are the largest source of HCAs in the diet. Frying also produces glycation end products linked to obesity and diabetes. Now, here is the number you came for. The disease burden from barbecuing is roughly 2.5 times higher than from frying. Eating a barbecued steak is like exposing your body to a flood of DNA-damaging chemicals from both HCAs and PAHs. Marinating meat can reduce HCA formation by up to 90%. Cooking at lower temperatures and flipping frequently can also help. So, after hearing these numbers, will you think twice before firing up the grill? Comment below, I will pin the most honest answer. Thanks for watching. If your brain is now fully cooked, hit like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.